So this video leads us to how to use your mobile phone to resolve copyright claim on your videos. Stay tuned and watch the video. Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm super excited. I'm so excited to share this video with you. And today's video is about how to resolve copyright claim on your videos with your mobile phone. Yes, mobile phone. So if you don't have a laptop, you don't have a problem. I'm going to teach you how to use your mobile phone to resolve copyright claim on your videos. Okay, but before I start it, I want to share with you the challenges I have to face when I came across copyright claim on my video for the first time. I uploaded a video 5 months ago and I saw copyright claim on my video. I was like, how? I made that video. So who is claiming my video? Well, as a new YouTuber, my aim is to monetize my channel. So I went ahead and deleted a video. A video worth of 50 hours. 50 hours. Can you imagine? I just deleted the video because I didn't want anything to interfere in my monetization. Okay, so happened the second time. I was like, what is going on? What is happening to my channel? I made this video myself. So who is claiming this video? So when that happened, I had to know what is going on because I can't keep on deleting my videos and losing hours. I really want to monetize this channel. How can I lose all these hours? For what? So I went to the video with the copyright claim and then I just clicked on the copyright claim and then it took me to some articles. See who is claiming your video. And I just clicked on it. So I faced it with a laptop. But today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that with your mobile phone without using a laptop. So stay tuned with the video.
So get your phone and let's get started. I'm going to be using the Chrome app. So you type in YouTube Studio on desktop. YouTube Studio on desktop. And then click on search. They will ask you to sign in. Then you sign in with your password. They will take you to your dashboard. So this interface will be like that of a laptop. Then you click on content where you'll be led to your videos. So I'm going to search through where I have the copyright claim. Yes, and the copyright claim is on how to easily draw your eyebrow. So you click on copyright claim and then you click on see details. So when you click on it, this is what you'll be getting. Even though copyright claim does not prevent you from monetizing your channel, but it prevents that particular video from being monetized. So if you have a copyright claim on a specific video, that video cannot be monetized. And it all depends on the one claiming the video. If the person is willing to share with you, then you are free. So when you get there, you will select option. So they'll ask you trim out segment or mute it, mute song or replace it. Then you click on replace. So when you click on replace music, YouTube will take you to the YouTube audio library where you'll be able to select the music you want to replace the copyright music with. After selecting the music, then you just click on done. And this takes a while, about 30 to 1 hour. Yes, so you just click on it and then you wait for YouTube to do their own thing. So when you finish saving it, then you go back to your video. You see that the written processing. That means YouTube is processing your changes. So you give it some time and then you come back later and then check it. So let's verify if YouTube has done the changes. So this is the video and you could see that there is no copyright claim again on
If
the
you like
video.
this
The
so
registration
far,
is none.
please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this video, it might help somebody out there. And then if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for me.